Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Elven Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Elven Realistic Dildo itself. As you can see, it's a really impressive size, and therefore we would not recommend this dildo for beginners, and we would recommend it for advanced or expert users. Now this dildo is made of a PVC material, so it's soft and smooth to the touch for a comfortable feel during use. It also features a firm yet flexible shaft, a veiny textured shaft just here as well, giving it a very realistic look and feels very stimulating. We also have a realistic ball sack and a rounded swollen head at the top just here as well. This dildo is suitable for both anal and vaginal stimulation and is also suitable for strap-ons. It features a strong suction cup at the bottom, meaning you can place this on any flat, smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. When using the Elven dildo, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean it after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Elven Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.